Today, I'll show you how to add a table of contents in Confluence. A table of contents helps readers navigate long Confluence pages more easily. It automatically creates links to the headings on your page, so users can jump directly to sections like Overview, Requirements, Timeline, Tasks, or FAQ. First, open Confluence and go to the page where you want to add the table of contents. Click Edit to open the page editor. Before adding the table of contents, make sure your page uses proper headings. Highlight a section title, then choose a heading style such as Heading 1, Heading 2, or Heading 3 from the formatting menu. Repeat this for each major section on the page. For example, you might create headings for Project Summary, Goals, Scope, Milestones, Risks, and Next Steps. Now place your cursor where you want the table of contents to appear. Most people add it near the top of the page right after the introduction. Type the / command, then search for Table of Contents. Select the Table of Contents macro from the list. Confluence will insert the macro into your page. Depending on your Confluence version, you may be able to adjust settings like which heading levels are included, whether the list is flat or nested, and how the links are displayed. After inserting the macro, click Preview if available. Check that the table of contents shows the correct sections. If something is missing, go back and make sure that section title is formatted as a heading, not just bold text. When everything looks correct, click Publish or Update. Now visitors can use the table of contents to jump between sections quickly. And that's it. You've successfully added a table of contents in Confluence. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.